What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be installing this all-weather mats on the Model Y. This is not a review video. I already have a set of these in my Model 3, so I already know they're good. I've tried other mats too, but these seem to fit the best. It's from a company called Last Fit. The whole set was like 200 bucks. And like I said, these are all-weather mats. So if you're someone who does a lot of outdoorsy stuff like hiking, going to the beach, maybe you have a dog, you take hiking, or you have a hairy girlfriend. No, I'm just kidding. These will protect your carpets. It's gonna stop the mud or sand getting stuck in there, and everyone hates that, man. Like, I hate it when I get mud on the carpet, and dog hair especially. Oh my god, I hate it. Like, who wants to sit there with the lint roller and pick up every dog hair, right? So this mats, guys, all weather, it's rubber, and they fit really nicely. So yeah, let's install this and get into the video. So there's the brand, guys, Last Fit. It says the safe and custom fit floor liners. I don't know why it says safe there. I don't know if this is gonna prevent you from crashing or anything, but I'm gonna take out the product so you guys can see. That is probably the mat which goes in the back, front. This is probably the driver's side because it has the dead pedal on it. That's the first packaging. I have more which goes in the trunk. I'm gonna open that after, but let's get to installing these first. Alright guys, so the lighting is super harsh outside, so I'm just gonna pretend like I didn't put them on already. I brought the car in, so yeah, let's go. Like I said, I think these are like laser cut and the fitment is so nice. Sometimes it's hard to tell if it's factory or not. I'm just gonna set it down on the factory carpets. It's still gonna fit. I'm gonna show you guys the fitment in a second, but yeah, there is nothing extra about it. It just goes in and slips in and sits there like it belongs. So that's the driver's side. I'm gonna do the entire car, and I'm gonna finish up by showing you guys the fit and finish. Alright, moving to the back. We're gonna do the trunk now. For some of you guys can just get away from just buying the back if you carry your dogs in the back, or if you keep your surfboard or whatever other outdoorsy stuff you'd like to do. Clearly I'm too poor to have scissors, but anyways, this is how it comes, super secured. Slip that out. So here's the back. It goes over the third row seating. I don't really think I'm gonna be using the third row all that much, if not ever. So this is how it sits right here. Guys, like the fitment, you're gonna think Elon made this himself at his home or something, because it just goes in. No fuss, no nothing. It just goes in there, sits nicely. So there's the back, as you guys can see, nice and big. It's super thick. It's gonna protect your floors. Moving forward, we're gonna do the rear carpet. It just slips in. Just look at that, guys. It just slips in perfectly. It reminds me of something that also slips in. But yeah, this looks, oh my god, this looks so good back here. So now if you have nasty friends with dirty shoes, you can easily clean this, no problem. Alright guys, final piece. This is literally taking like 5 minutes. There's no room in here, so I'm just gonna do that off camera and show you guys how it looks after. So here's the final look, guys. As you guys can see, it has already started doing its job. Easy to clean, and you don't even have to take the carpets out. You can just leave it in there and vacuum it whenever you clean the car. As far as the fitment goes, like I said, it fits like a glove. Wouldn't be surprised. You know what? All of you watching this video owes me money if you find out this is Elon's secret company he's operating out of the garage. Since it's rubber, it's gonna settle in even more. It's gonna bend into place. But so far so good, man. This looks awesome. I'll show you guys the back. Here's the look of the back. Here's the trunk. Sits nicely, sits flush. Honestly guys, like a lot of aftermarket carpets, it doesn't make the car look any cheaper because the fitment is so nice. and it gives the car a nice rugged look. So now you can show your friends how much of an outdoorsy person you are, super hardcore. You have all-weather mats. Now you can pull up to the Tacoma meets and let them know how it is and what it is, and that you're way faster than them. So yeah guys, that completes the video. If you guys are looking for outdoor mats or any mat for your Model Y or Model 3 or any Tesla, you can definitely go with this brand. I'm gonna leave the links down below so you guys can also purchase it. But yeah guys, I'm gonna try to upload more. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.